Hi, my name is Richelle Gerong. I'm from the Philippines, but I'm currently pursuing my postgraduate studies here in Malaysia, focusing on educational technology and multimedia. So back home, I create educational content posted on social media for teachers and students, and I've always been passionate about multimedia in general, like audio, video, and graphics. I also manage the learning management system in my institution, so I'm constantly surrounded by technology in educational context. Naturally, I began asking myself, how do I bring all this passion and skills together in my research? So my main question was really how. How do I approach research in a way that ties with my skills and passions? And that how quickly led to many more questions like what else is possible, what other methods are out there, and how can I make my research more meaningful? Around that time, my supervisor introduced me to social media research and recommended that I attend this summer school for the decision and experience. I joined because I wanted to learn more about social media research and discover powerful tools that could support my research journey. I was also eager to learn from experts, connect with them, and finally ask many questions I've been holding on to. What I really enjoyed was the variety of examples presented. I could immediately see how Nodexl data can be manipulated and applied in so many ways. It got me thinking about how I could adopt it in my own research context. The tutors and lecturers there were true experts in their field, but more importantly, they were approachable and welcoming. I especially appreciated the one-on-one session. So for me, it's sometimes difficult to communicate what I'm struggling with, but they were able to read between the lines and help me articulate my concerns and guide me in such a very supportive way. Beyond the technical skills of using Nodexl, I think the most valuable takeaways was strengthening my analytical skills. I learned how to look at the data outputs, interpret them critically, and communicate insights in ways that go beyond the numbers, to view the problems from different angles and explore how social media data can help address them. I also discovered how Nodexl can be integrated with other tools I'm already familiar with, so it opens up more possibilities for research design and analysis. While it felt overwhelming at first, knowing that the tutors remain open to communication and collaboration even after the summer school has been so reassuring for me. It gives me the confidence that I can continue learning and growing until I'm ready to fully apply it on my own. I would definitely recommend this summer school or the Nodexl school to anyone interested in social media research. It's not just about learning the tool, it's about developing new ways of thinking, connecting with supportive experts, and finding fresh approaches to research. If I had to sum up this experience in 3 words, I'd say insightful, supportive, and empowering. So a big thank you to Nodexl team, not just for the tool, but for the supportive community and the learning journey that came with it.